Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the controller settings on the Tekken 8 game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Tekken 8 game on your device, and once you open it up, you will end up within the main menu. From here, click on the options button at the bottom left corner, which will now take you into the game settings page. Now from here, you can click on controller setup in order to redefine the keys of your controller. If you are using a joystick, you can click on any parameter and then press the button within your joystick that you want to set it as. Finally, click on confirm and exit, and if you are using a keyboard, click on button mapping. You can now choose keyboard settings for player 1 or player 2, and now you will be able to look at the various different button layouts and redefine as you wish. Just click on any option that you wish to redefine and then tap on the key that you wish to set as the new control. After repeating the process for all of the controls based on your desire, you can click on confirm and exit, and then click on the OK button to confirm your changes. And now your control settings have been changed to the one that you just set, and you can now start playing your game with your chosen settings. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your control settings on the Tekken 8 game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.